Hi there. I'm coming in today to show you my very latest altered book journal. I've literally just made this one and I think it's really different and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to show you what it's all about. So I found an old book that was called 100 Best Shrubs, and the book had lovely line drawings of the different shrubs. So I'll just open this book out and show you. Now, oops, I made a very simple closure of a belt that I cut down. Let's see if this will focus for me. There you go. It's got little flowers on it. It's very pretty. And the book itself has these beautiful line drawings throughout. And I was very excited because I thought, well, this could be a lovely book for somebody who likes to do colouring in, because this paper, the paper is lovely. It's very absorbent. It's hard to get it across in a video, but it's a bit like watercolour paper, but obviously it isn't, so it's not going to be exactly like watercolour. But what I did was I decided that I would test it. So when I made this book, I had to take some pages out and I used them to see how it would take watercolour. And if you hold on, the magic of video will show you. You'll see. I'll show you in the next clip. Hang on. So I've just started using watercolour to paint on this, and the paper is taking it really well. So this was a page that I couldn't use because when I took the book apart, sometimes pages have to be torn out, so it's a perfect page to use as a test. So I'm going to have a go at the flowers now, and I think they're meant to be yellow. I think they're bright yellow, so I'll go for that one. And I'm not the world's best watercolour painter, so I'm sure other people will be able to do this much better than me. You could even do it. You could use pencils, couldn't you? But you get the idea. Let's see if I can get it to focus a bit closer. There you go. So you see, and I'm quite impressed with that because I'm making sure that my brush is quite it's not overloaded with water, and the effect is really good. I mean, look, it hasn't warped at all, so I'm very happy with that. I've got another test drawing here to colour in, and the way the book is laid out, it has a page describing the shrub and then the drawing. So this one tells me that it's Peonia delavei. Is that how you pronounce it? So it's type of peony, I guess. Anyway, I'm not particularly up on my shrubs and their Latin names, but it tells me in the description that the flowers are a bright crimson colour with a centre of golden anthers, and the leaves, it doesn't actually tell me what colour they are. I presume they're green, like most leaves are. It just says that they're handsome, large, divided lobed leaves, which you can see they're lobed. So I'm going to have a go at colouring this one and see how this one goes. Bright crimson, so I guess that's, well, I'll put this to one side for now, and I'll bring the colours in so you can see what I'm doing. So you'll see from those clips that the paper takes the watercolour paint really well. So I could see this being a lovely book for somebody who likes doing that sort of thing, colouring in. The drawings are truly lovely. And you've also got the description here. Oh, there you go. You've got the description of the plants. This is tree mallow. Yeah, it tells you about the shrub. So it would be a lovely book for a gardener or for somebody who likes to do the art. And I've also, when I created this book, I put in pages of watercolour paper. So you'll be able to do watercolours on these or drawings if you want to. So altogether, I think it makes a lovely, very original journal. I mean, this is the only one like it. It's truly one of a kind, and I think you'll get a lot of enjoyment out of it. So I made a cloth cover with leaves on it, which I thought was appropriate. So that will protect the book, and I'll just take that off now. got beautiful inlaid end paper, and this is the original book. Yeah, so hopefully someone will like this. And this is just an offcut, which can be used as a bookmark. So yeah, I really enjoyed making this. I hope somebody will love this. It would make a lovely gift for somebody, a really special, different gift. All the signatures have been sewn in. There's 5 of them. And that's it. It's in my Etsy shop, and I'll put a link underneath in the description.